Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a fuzzy brother. Now this is similar to a fuzzy navel, except we're going to be using some brandy in this cocktail. So we're going to mix it in our 16-ounce beer glass, so add your ice. And then we're going to go 3 parts of brandy, or cognac if you prefer, to 1 part of your peach schnapps. So a good measurement for this would be about 1.5 ounces to 1/2 ounce. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for our 1.5 ounces. And then 1, 2, and I guess 3 or 4 if you wanted to taste a little bit more of peach. Now we're going to add in our orange juice to the top. Get our highball with ice ready. And then shake our ingredients together really vigorously. Get that flavor released and all those ingredients combined. And then strain your drink directly into your highball glass with ice. An orange slice will make a great garnish. Don't forget your straw. And there's your fuzzy brother, a drink you'll undoubtedly enjoy.